TSW 5906 stainless. So we got 2 in the pipe. We got 2 in the mag. We're gonna drop it. We got the timer going. We're gonna do a hammer down, double action, and you gotta flip the safety upwards. So it's a little different than the other one, than the other like 1911. So and then we got 1 reload to the head. Let's start. I'm gonna start from stool. All right, total time 4 seconds, 3.09 split to the head after the reload. I don't know if that's good. Oh, I got it. I did hit the A-ducts. 4 seconds flat, guys, but I missed my target on the chest. I went right a little bit.
I'm gonna try. Let me see if I can find this card.
Gun is 21 years old. It's fantastic. Shoot iron sight, kind of wonky. I need to change them out. I love this gun though. All right. I get it.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. My mag. So I fucked up there. I didn't put one in my mag pouch, so that's on me. I'm talking to you guys. Chewing up my hand. I got little cuts from racking it up. Oh. Fucking did it. All right, guys, check this out. Check this out, guys. 0.9 draw from stool. I had a 0.8 split and a 0.1 total of 158.